Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Luyanda Zwane bids farewell to Sibongile and the Dlaminis as she will not be returning for season 2 premiering on July 29. Zwane shared that her decision to leave was rooted in personal reasons rather than any external pressure. She further stated that she chose not to renew her contract for season 2 after completing her season 1 obligations. Ntsikelelo Mtiani is ready to shine as Sibongile in Sibongile and the Dlaminis. The 21-year-old from Richards Bay, KZN, said she has mentally prepared herself from any views by viewers. I know that people will compare my looks and acting skills with those of Luyanda, it is their right as the viewers, but that won't bother me. I will only take constructive views or criticism and I will ignore the negative ones. I think that will help me dwell on the positive and focus on perfecting the role, said Ntsikelelo. Ntsikelelo Mtiani will be taking over Sibongile Mbambo's on season 2. She will make her debut next week. Thank you for watching.